Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study 5 interesting topics in Excel 365 which will make your life easier. The first option which we will study is easy search. So in Excel there are so many commands hidden inside the menu. So at times you are confused in finding a particular menu or a particular command. So in that case, what you can do is you can right click on any blank cell and write in this shortcut menu on the top, you can give the name of the command which you are searching for. Example, I want to create a drop down list. So I will type over here list. So immediately I'll get the first option, validation. Then from here I can select list, and in the source I can select my contents and select OK, and my drop down list is ready. In the same way, if I want to clear the drop down list, I can again right click, and in the search menu I can type clear, and in clear I'll select clear all, and the drop down menu gets cleared. So this way you can search for any commands within the menu with the help of the search option. Now let us see the second important topic, and that is the navigation pane. So if you click in the view menu, you have this option called as the navigation pane. So if I click on navigation pane, then it will show me the names of all the sheets which are present in my workbook, and within the sheet if there is some range or a table, then it can highlight that also and it will show me those contents also. So it becomes easy for me to navigate in my workbook with the help of this option which is called as the navigation pane. Next option which we will see is the quick shortcut. So if I want to invoke the Power Query, I can just press Alt and F12, and this will take me into my Power Query where it can show me all my existing queries, or if I want, I can create a new query as well. Then the other option which we see is, supposing I have a cell in which there are some formulas. Example, over here you can see there is a formula that is sum of the adjacent cells. So if I want to remove the formulas and just paste values, then what we usually do is we press Ctrl C, then we press right click, then we select paste special, then we select paste special, and then we select values. So alternately, you can just press over here Ctrl C and then Ctrl Shift V. So all the formulas would be gone and the values get pasted over here. So this was the third option. Now let us see the fourth option, and the fourth option is Automate tab. So here if you see in the menu of Excel, you have one tab called as the Automate tab. So in the Automate tab, you can see number of inbuilt queries over here. So take for example, I have hidden certain columns in my sheet, and if I want to unhide them, then you get one script over here called as unhide all rows and columns. So it will immediately activate that script, and you can select run. So all the columns in your sheet which were hidden gets unhidden. In the same way, you can create your own script as well. So take for example, you have an option over here called as record actions. So I'll click on record actions, and in the record actions you can see now it is recording whatever I'm doing. So take for example, I'm making a recording schedule for my YouTube. So I click into the location and I will type whatever I want. So whatever I'm typing is getting recorded now. So I've typed this recording schedule. Then I'm also making it left justified. Then I'm increasing the size of the column, increasing the font size. Okay, if I made a mistake in the spelling, I'll just correct it. Then I'm also putting an underline below it. And then over here, I'm using some formula like today to show the date. And then here I'm saying this +1. And then I'm copying that formula down like this. And then I'm selecting, you can see on the right side, all my steps are getting recorded over here. I format my cells and change the format of the date to any specific format and select OK. So it's recording all these steps. Once I'm done with all my steps, I'll just say stop. So a script is getting created in which all these steps would be present over here. So now the script is ready. So I can come to any blank location in my sheet and I can select run the script. So it will tell me that the script is running and it has ran the script over here. So I just delete these columns. Okay, then click anywhere else and select run. So you can see it runs the script. And the beauty of this is that I can run this script on any sheet. So I can go in any blank sheet and I can run it. Or I can even make a new workbook. And in the workbook also, in the automate tab, you can see my script would be present. This is my script. And I can run that. So the scripts can run across the different workbooks as well. So I'll just close this. I'll not save this. And the last important topic for today, which will save your time, is the value preview tooltip. So let me show you with the help of an example. Over here, I have a sheet in which I have the headings like division, name, yearly salary, and category. In the category, I have given a formula that if the salary is greater than 70,000, then it is high. If it is lesser than 70,000 but greater than 50,000, it is medium, else it is low. So at any point of time, I want to debug the formula. I can just double click on the formula. And then when I click on this logical test, so what is the result which it has written, that it will show me. Example, here it is showing me false because this value is certainly not greater than 70,000. So it goes here. So let us see what happens in this false. So when I click over here, it shows me that your result is medium. Hence, the result is medium. Take for example this low value. So if I click on this logical test, it will tell me that it is false. So if I click on this false, it tells me that it comes into this low category. So this is how you can use this feature to debug the errors. So friends, today we have studied 4 important topics: easy search, navigation pane, new keyboard shortcut of Alt F12 and Ctrl Shift V, the automate tab, and value preview tooltip. Remember, all these options will work only in Office 365. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.